Hi guys, do you know money frog is used as a wealth magnet in Feng Shui? But do you know that it needs to be activated for best results? Keep watching this video to know how you can activate your money frog.
And please remember to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for many such interesting videos.
The money toad or money frog represents a popular Feng Shui charm for prosperity. It is said that this mythical creature appears during full moon near houses or businesses that will soon receive good news in the form of fortune and prosperity. The money frog has a lot of different names. Some of the most commonly used names are wealth frog, money toad, lucky money frog, fortune frog, three-legged prosperity toad, and many more. The Chinese name for money frog is Chan Chu. Quite often the money frog is portrayed as a three-legged toad with a coin in its mouth, as if the toad is ready to jump into the house, bringing all the wealth and fortune. The money frog represents wealth and money in a materialistic way, and because of that it is beneficial for everyone to place a money frog, whether it is an owner, a businessman, or a person doing a job. Since Feng Shui is all about correct placement and orientation of tools to attract the best of positive energies towards us, there are certain Feng Shui rules, tips and guidelines that need to be followed while placing a money frog. These rules are there to ensure that the money frog helps you attract money and not flush away all the money that you have accumulated. The money frog is also capable of flushing away everything you have in terms of wealth and money. Here are some of the tips on what to do and what not to do while placing your money frog. The money frog should be placed near the entrance. This wealth magnet should be facing inside towards the premises. Placing in the southeast direction of the living room is good for businesses. To enhance your career success, the money frog should be placed in the northern direction of the living room. Always remember to place it on a table at a height. Things to avoid while placing a money frog. Make sure that if you have only one money frog, it should be facing inside the home and not outside towards the entrance door. The money frog should not be placed in the bedroom, kitchen or bathroom. It should never be placed on the ground. It deserves respect. Make sure that the money frog is not broken or chipped. There should be no cutlery near the money frog. To activate money frog, just follow these simple steps. You can use a red ribbon to tie around your money frog to activate its energy. You can use a red cloth or a red paper to place your money frog to activate it. Another most important tip is you can use coins which are tied with red ribbon. These are very important in attracting good luck energy. So you can use them to place it in the mouth of the frog for attracting best results. Same way you can use a tassel, coin tassel with red ribbon to activate its energy. All these beautiful items can be brought from divamantra.com. The link is given in the description. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.